Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you're a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hello, if you're near, if you're new here, hello, it's me, Nessa Eileen, and today I'm coming at you with The Sims 4 Discover University. I believe this is part 19. Noel is just making a little bit of a lunch, kind of, yeah, I mean, it's a late lunch. It's like 3 o'clock in the game, so let's check it out. Oh, it's a little loud, don't you think? Okay, turn it down a little bit because I can barely hear myself. Yeah, it's like about 3 o'clock. Hey, Rohan needs to go to class soon. In 2 minutes. Okay. Sorry, you don't have time to eat that omelet. Oh, this is a dirty. We have a visitor too. We got, oops, Jasminder. She's Marik's friend. Okay, Rohan is off to class. Julia is at work right now. And I'm just kind of focusing on Marik a little bit today. Let's see, polish to perfection, please. Even though I'm pretty sure he's squeamish or something. Yeah, he's squeamish. He does not like to clean up. So he's not going to like that I'm making him clean up. But, you know, you got to do what you got to do. What's this guy doing here? Hello. Oh, Vanessa Jong. You can invite her in. She doesn't have to stand outside in the cold. Does Noel have work today? No, she doesn't. That's great. Okay, Jasminder is leaving, and we have an inspector. Have a cheerful introduction for the inspector, I guess. Hello. Overlook issues. I don't know what kind of neighborhood action plans are active right now. I wish it would tell us which ones are active. We can give him a knock-knock joke. We can talk about our dreams and talk about handiness. Aw, and they're like good friends. I don't know what happened there. Marik, vent to her, I guess. Or maybe don't vent. Rohan turned in his homework. That's great. He has class tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, so he just is lacking in the fun department, so I'm gonna have him play some video games. He's got work, a gig. Marik has a gig at 7 o'clock, so in about 2 hours, he's gotta go. How are his needs? His needs are good. I was gonna say he could take a little nap if he needs to. Let's get his charisma skill up, though. We can brighten her day. We can discuss work. Are you guys in the same line of work? Yes, you're both celebrities. She's one of his co-stars. There, how about that? Ask about her day. Do not give her a bold pickup line. You are currently, like, trying to get your romance up with Julia, so let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's compliment her outfit. And we can sit and chat on the couch. We don't have to be outside in the cold. Noel, you can talk to Vanessa. Oh, you can intend to introduce yourself. Whew. Work for Marik starts in about 1 hour. Go, Rohan's in the shower. Did she leave? No, she didn't. You need to prepare food. That can go back in the refrigerator. Rohan barely touched it. She can use the toilet. Social media status updated. Who cares? Looks like 15 new followers care. Oh, this is cool. It's just a normal pop art piece, but we can sell that. It's time for Marik to head off to work. Should we join him or should we send alone? We'll send him alone. She needs what it what whoa. Oh, okay. That was his costume, I guess, for work. Can you cook, please? It's almost about dinner time. Let's see. Last time I had her cook, I think it was vegetarian chili, lactose free. Noel's signature cake. Noel has a signature cake. What? Veggie yakisoba. Yeah, let's do that. Let's have some yakisoba for dinner. Okay, Julia's getting into the shower. How's Rohan doing? He needs to do some... How are his needs? Good. Okay, so I need him to do his homework when he's done eating that. Yay! Julia had her 8th breakthrough and wrote down an idea for a snake oil serum. Click on the notebook button at the top of the phone menu to learn more about it. I will do that, actually. Work, household, work. I thought there was like a notebook button right here. What happened to it? Click on the notebook button at the top of the phone menu to learn more about it. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Is it here? Oh, that's why. It changed. Okay, so it's not on the phone anymore. So maybe they should change this. Click on the notebook button at the top of the phone menu to learn more about it. Yeah, no. What does the snake oil serum do? Drink this serum to cure your sim of any and all sicknesses. What? Rose perfume. Does it give a description? Drink this serum to make your sim flirty. That's kind of weird that they're drinking perfume in order to get flirty. Okay. Let's get Noel's comedy skill up just a little bit, and she can talk to Julia to enthuse about interests, compliment her outfit because she is styling. He never ended up selling that, I guess. Oh, because he had to go to work. Okay, so let's do some knock-knock jokes. Let's give her an inside joke. We can, I don't know, get to know her. I think we know everything there is to know about Julia. I think they're besties, actually. Are they best friends? We should look at their profile. Their relationship profile. Open sim profile. Let's see. Okay, good friends. This is a solid relationship built on trust and great memories. She's got a physics degree from University of Rochester. She's a scientist at Future Sim Labs. Calling all brains. Are you the nerdy type who aspires to one day wear tin foil on your head and decorate your studio with huge bubbly tanks? Studio? She likes handiness, cute, and she's outgoing, ambitious, and a perfectionist. Okay, cool. Cool, she ages up in 34 days, so that's great. Oh, Julia ages up in 14 days. To an elder, no, just kidding. To an adult. An adult. Okay, so their next step in life is all adults. Marik ages up in 30 days to an elder. What? What is she gonna go do now? She's gonna go take a speedy shower. Oh, she's already gonna go do that by herself. She can do that. Okay. What does Julia need to do? She still needs to have 12 breakthroughs, so she needs 4 more. Is it very cold outside? I was gonna have her go walk the dog. It's freezing outside, actually, and it's only Tuesday. And it's still winter. Oh, tomorrow is Winterfest. We should probably decorate the house. Okay, let's see. Oh, what is this? I don't know what that is. That's new. Let's see. Just kidding. It's not new. It's the gallery. Okay. It just looks new, I guess. Okay. I want to add... Let's do... What is this? Bunch of stuff that we do not need. It's a little glitchy. It's slow. Oh, thank goodness, I don't feel like I have to weather off the grid, surfaces, comfort, all decorations. Miscellaneous? Do you think it's in miscellaneous? I think it's in miscellaneous. Decorations. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay, we're getting ready for Winterfest. I'll put it, oh, why did it go all the way over there? I'll put it right here, outside. Outside or inside? I'll put it inside. I'll put it right here. Let's add a rug. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. Maybe this one, and we can do blue? Yeah, I think that matches the house a little bit. Looks good. Okay. You do not need to make coffee, but you can put up decorations, okay? And you can also rummage for winter decorations. La, la, la. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, Rohan's little music player just broke. We are going to repair it. Just try and repair it yourself. Okay, let's see. What did we get? We got some little deers, and a nutcracker guy. And what is this? I don't know what this is. That's cute. Okay. Cool. Looks good. Fill the dog bowl, please. And we can try and decorate. Actually, I want to change the decorations of this house. Select holiday decorations. What are the eaves again? I don't know what the eaves are. Let's do like blue and white themed. Is that this? Let's look for something else for the bottom. Maybe we'll do white and blue. Maybe just white? No, because it's very twinkly. It's very twinkly. That's a lot of light. A lot of white. White icicles? Let's try that. Alright, the dog pooped outside, but the poop spawned inside, so that's really annoying. Okay, I like that better. And this thing is broken. Blue and green plaid. That's gonna be the theme for this Winterfest. Oh, there we go. Oh, looks nice. What's up, pup? Brush him. Did Noel get her? Yeah, she did get her daily task done. I believe tomorrow is Winterfest. So that means everyone should have the day off. So that means that I want to have Marique and Julia maybe go on a date. Yes. Brush, you can give him a hug and then go to sleep. Actually, use the toilet and then go to sleep, because nothing's worse than when you're like about to fall asleep but then you need to use the restroom and you're like, oh man, now I have to get up and I'm already comfortable and I have to get up, use the bathroom, wash my hands, come back to bed, and then get comfy again, restart the whole going to sleep process. But maybe that's just me. It takes me a really long time to fall asleep. And when is Marie gonna come home? He's out late. Oh, here he is. Okay, what did he do? He did some great work. What does he have to do now? Let's sign him up for... Let's get him an audition. Get him his next audition. Salty suds. We can do salty suds. Does he need to use the bathroom? No. Okay, then he can just go to sleep. Nope, don't do that. Go to sleep. And then it will be Winterfest. And Rohan is awake. Okay, so he doesn't have school today. I don't think so. I mean, he shouldn't. I guess he does have class. Okay, Julia is up. Is she hungry? No, not completely hungry. But Marique is hungry. So, when Julia gets hungry, I feel like I want them to go out together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have her take a shower. All three of them are up right now though, so I think what I want to do is decorate with we're going with the blue and white. We're going to go Rohan and Noel. Three of us are going to just do it together. This is cute. I'm going to take a picture real fast. Alright, that picture didn't really work out as I wanted it to, but that's fine, I guess. He's hungry. Noel, what's up? Okay, you're grabbing a serving of yakisoba. Okay, I want you to take a thoughtful shower, please. Marique, he's gonna be ready in just a little bit. Oh, is he awake now? He is awake. Okay, let's have him sell this to a collector. How is his fame doing? Julia, please do not eat anything. Just sit here. Actually, yeah, just sit there for now. And Marique, I don't want you to eat anything. We're gonna go to a restaurant. Please take a shower though. Or they can go get coffee actually, because it's morning-ish time. They can go for like a little bit of a lunch coffee. A coffee lunch, I don't know. Outfits, change outfit, and go into your winter clothes. Should also be cold. Change outfits to winter, please. Julia is doing good. She wants French toast. Can you sit here? They're all kind of matching. Are you in your winter clothes? Outfits. Change your outfit into this. Okay. Looks good. Alright, I want you to brighten her day. I like how they both left the room. I was like, let's give them some privacy. Shh. Let's compliment her appearance. You can share Winterfest spirit. Ask for a DNA sample? Wow, real romantic. Real romantic, Julia. Why is she just standing there like that? I don't know why she's standing there like that. It's pretty funny. We're going on a date. We're going on a date. Alright. Windenburg. I know for sure Windenburg has cafes. We are at the cafe, but I'm going to leave this part off right here. And in the next part, we will just pick up where we're leaving off. Okay, so thank you so much. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment and feel free to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye!